In the holy city of Makkah, during the early days of Islam, the Prophet Muhammad was facing immense hardships. The Quraysh mocked him, opposed him, and spread lies about him. But among their cruelest taunts was something deeply personal. The Prophet had lost his beloved sons at a young age. In Arab culture, where lineage and family name were seen as a mark of honor, the enemies of Islam mocked him, saying, "Muhammad has no sons. When he dies, his name will be forgotten. He is abtar, cut off without any legacy." These words were meant to break his heart. Imagine the pain, a father mourning the loss of his child, while his enemies used that grief to insult him. But then revelation came. Allah himself responded to those mockers with words so powerful that they continue to echo through history. "Indeed, we have granted you Al-Kawthar. Al-Kawthar is the river of paradise, whiter than milk, sweeter than honey, and more vast than the oceans of this world. It symbolizes abundance, blessings, and everlasting honor." Allah was telling his beloved prophet, "Do not grieve. You are not cut off. Instead, I have given you infinite blessings, a river in Jannah, and a legacy that will never die." And indeed, look today, those who mock the prophet, their names are erased from history, forgotten by time. But the name of Muhammad is recited across the world, in every prayer, in every added hand, in every heart that believes. Surah Al-Kawthar is not just about a river in paradise. It is a promise that the Prophet's legacy will live forever, and that patience in the face of loss brings the greatest of rewards. Whenever life feels heavy, remember Surah Al-Kawthar. What seems like loss in this world may be the beginning of endless blessings from Allah.